Alright, welcome back you guys. In this tutorial, we're going to make a dimension. So let's get right into it. Click that plus. We're going to look for dimension. Oop, not that. Click on dimension over here. And just like in the intro, I'm going to make the Ohio dimension, not related to the American state. I'm going to put 2 because I already made one previously. But I'm going to make a new one right now. Create a new dimension. Alright, so when we get to this screen, this is what you should see. Alright, and if you've been following the tutorials so far, that's great. For this dimension, we need our own biomes and our own blocks, okay? So with the first one here, main filler block, this is like the stone in the vanilla overworld. So I'm going to put my custom block right there, the Chad block. And then for the fluid block, that's like the water in the overworld or the lava in the nether, right? So actually for this one, I'm going to put the lava, the regular lava there. Okay. And then in this spot, we are going to add the dimensions. So we're going to click the plus and click at least one of your dimensions. So I guess this one, the Riz biome, right? And if you have more, you can add more of your biomes right there. Okay. And we can also add the vanilla biomes. So let's see. Let's go. What's here? We're gonna add the classic plains biome. Let's go for something else. Let's go for mushroom fields. Sure, mushroom fields. Let's get something crazy. The void, I don't know if that's gonna work, but we're gonna try it. So I'm gonna click the void. All right, sky and fog color override. So this is if you want to change the color of the sky. I'm gonna leave it default because it might look weird, so I'm just gonna leave that. Sleep attempt result. So if the players try to sleep, we can allow, we can deny, and we can make the beds explode. For this one, I'm just gonna allow it. We're gonna be nice. We're gonna let people rest. That's fine. Imitate overworld behavior. All right, so for this tutorial, I'm only gonna go over the overworld stuff. You could try the nether and the end kind of dimension, but I'm not gonna go over in this tutorial. And just be careful because they might not work or they might be glitchy. Okay, so we're gonna click this checkbox right here, imitate world behavior. That's overworld behavior. That's for if you want to make the weather work, you make compass work, the creature spawning. It's easy to just click this and everything will be fine. All right, has sky light source. So just like in the overworld, we have a day and night cycle. So we do want that. We're gonna click that. And if you want some dense fog, you can click that. We're gonna leave this off because we want the player to respawn. Ambient light source is like the sun, the light. So if you click that, it'll be super dark. So you don't. I'm gonna leave that off, and we don't want the water to vaporize in this dimension. So I'm gonna leave that off. Awesome. So we're gonna go to the portal now. So this is where we're gonna make the portal and the igniter. Okay. So make sure this checkbox is clicked, it's checked, and that is checked as well over here. I'll get into that later in a second. But we're gonna start with the portal itself. Okay, so this is the texture for like when the portal is ignited, right? So we're gonna double click that, and I'm just gonna reuse my leaves texture, just because I already have it there, and it fits with the theme. For the portal texture, the transparent pixels will actually show, no problem. You can have transparent pixels, so which is nice. And then the particles, if you want different particle effects, the normal is the portal, just like the nether portal. Sure, let's do soul fire flame. Sure. Portal block sound. If you want to change the sound of of what your portal makes, you can. I'm gonna villager. Oops. Okay. Portal block luminance. If you want some light coming out of your portal. Excuse me. Portal block frame. So just like in the nether portal, it's made of obsidian, right? So this is the block that's gonna be. So I'm gonna make mine with my custom block, the Chad block. there. And so that's the portal. Portal Igniter is a similar thing. So we're gonna add the texture for that. And in the intro, I used what is it? This thing. I forget what it's called, but yeah, that eyeball looking thing. And Minecraft pros are like, wow, you don't even know what that is. Yeah, I'm sorry guys, I forgot. So Portal Igniter item, you just put here, and I just put a 2 because I already have another one. Rarity, so this is doesn't really matter. It's more for the color of the name. So if you go over here, right, common is white, uncommon yellow, blah blah. I'm gonna make it epic because light purple. And then the creative inventory tabs, make sure we're adding that to our mods tab. And there you go. So we're gonna save mod element, and we're gonna test it out. All right, guys, into a world here, and I got my portal block frame, and we're just gonna build just like in overworld for the nether portal, right? And I have my igniter ready here, and same thing, just like a flip and seal. Yeah, right. Oh, cool. And we're gonna hop inside. It takes a bit to load for the first time. And there we go. We are in the Ohio dimension. Ohio. Everything is looking good.